A very good morning once again to my dear students of Standard 5. Children, earlier I had shown you this assignment of how it has to be drawn and how it has to be decorated. Now I think you have kept your oil pastels ready. I will show you how the coloring has to be done, but maximum is already done, but I'll explain you orally and the remaining part I'll color and show you. Now can you see this star at the top of the Christmas tree? Yes, now this I have shown yellow. That is the light which is shown, which falls on the Christmas tree. So I have used the different shades of yellow. Even if you see it very small, I have used different shades of yellow, and the darkest shade I have used little brown in that. Okay, so before you start coloring, I hope you all are ready with the black outline completely with all the details. Even the Christmas symbols are outlined with black microtip pen. Now after the star, we go to the Christmas tree. Now I have started with my light shade. This is the light green. This is the dark green. The different shades I have used for the Christmas tree. And last but not the least, I have used Persian blue. So these are the shades I have used. For the darkest shade, I have used blue. You will not see it in the video, the blue which is applied on the paper, on that tree drawing, because I have mixed it with this green shade over here. So that is the darkest shade. Please avoid using black color. You are not going to use black at all. If you have to use any dark shade, it will be Persian blue and crimson red. This is the red shade. So these are the two shades you will use to show the darkest shade of this. So in this I have used light green, little darker shade, darkest, and the blue shade to have little color range in this. Now for this decoration in between, can you see these lines which are going crisscross? That is the decoration on the Christmas tree. So here I have used different colors. Red, this is yellow, this is blue, this also is little yellow orange. So these are the different color which I have used on it. The small circles what you see are the colorful bulbs which are used to decorate the tree. And each and every bulb is shaded. I have not given just one color. Supposing if it is green, I have not put green completely. I have used light green and dark green and used little white to make it little lighter. You can use white but not black. So this is how the tree with the decoration. Now after that, you see the small little potli I could call. It is wrapped, the gift is wrapped in one bag, which the Santa Claus usually holds it on his shoulder and he dances and moves about. So that gift potli, you can say, is over here. These are the colorful bulbs. I think you can see on the screen. These are the bulbs. This is the stick. This is the snowman. Snowman who is having a hat and tied a small little muffler here. Then you can see this gift with a bow. The small little gift on the tree hanging with the cherry and the leaves. Now this particular Christmas tree is inserted in a pot. The pot is also not plain, but it is also decorated. Then you can see the gift over here. This also, the ribbon which is tied over here. Can you see the double color ribbon? The dark and the light. So the light color and the dark color I have used to decorate this ribbon. Here also the spot which I have decorated is the light shade and the dark shade of the violet color. The snowman also, I have not shown white totally, but I have used, black is not used at all. I have used white and grey shades to do the snowman. So wherever you see white, the stockings is only grey shade with white. So keep in mind, children, don't use black at all. After that, now we come down. I'll show you how this is done. So here, let your picture look colorful. So here I will use a orange shade. Since this is red, I'll put this orange. So now just have a look at how it is done. The top part is little lighter. Always keep in mind on any object when the light falls, one side is light and the other side is little in a darker shade. So now this is a lighter shade which I have used. I am using a darker shade at the side of the box. I hope you can see this. This is a darker shade. Now here, earlier I explained you the color chart. Now since the color chart, I don't know whether you remember, yellow, red and blue are the primary colors and orange, green and violet are the secondary colors. You can also say opposite color. Now this is orange, the box is orange. So this I am doing the bow which is tied for the box. For the gift to look more attractive is a blue bow. A blue ribbon is tied around. So I am doing this blue, and this blue again I am decorating it with a darker shade of violet. See, with a small dots which will make your drawing look little attractive. Then this line also I forgot, this also will be your blue shade. This will be your orange, dark orange shade. Now we go on to this. I make it green. These are all colors related to Christmas. Christmas colors, if you see, are all red, yellow, green, bright, all bright colors. Because as you say, Diwali is a festival of light and colors. So same with Christmas. So you see all bright, colorful Christmas with beautiful colors. I'm using a darker shade of blue. The bow is little darker green. And now the paper which is wrapped around the gift, I'll use a red shade. So that again is a complementary shade. Now orange and blue is a complementary color, opposite colors. And again red green is an opposite color. So when we put opposite color, your drawing looks more attractive. So this is what it is. This is how you are supposed to do. Now this dots which I have used are only to fill up the space. Nothing you have to do at the base. This is all what you are supposed to do. Children, I have completed this assignment and you see how it is done. See carefully, see the detailing of it. Can you see the full picture on the screen? See the full picture on the screen. Now one more thing before I start. After you finish with this assignment, the following week you will keep one vegetable ready, and the vegetable is lady finger. You know what is lady finger? It is bhindi. You call it bhindi. I don't know whether many like the vegetable they eat or no, but yes, you have, after finished coloring, the following week you will have to keep lady finger ready. At least 2-3 lady finger. Don't bring quarter kg and half kg. I only require 2-3 lady finger with a small little pen knife. What is pen knife? A pen knife is a folding knife. You get it, a small one. Don't bring big knife, choppers and all. Okay? A small little pen knife to cut the lady finger. Or you cannot keep it cut and bring it, because you need a fresh, strong one. So bring fresh 2-3 lady fingers and keep your watercolors or poster colors ready. We will do our next assignment after completing the coloring. Don't be in a mighty hurry to complete this assignment. But after you finish with the second video of this is the second video. The first video was only drawing and the second video is coloring. So after the coloring video, the following week you will keep your lady finger ready with your watercolors or poster colors along with your drawing paper. We are going to do the next assignment. Is that clear to you? And I hope you have seen this clearly, so there won't be any confusion of how you have to do the coloring part. This is only colored with oil pastels, so you have to use only oil pastels and no other color. When you are coloring, in every small thing what you do, you have to use shade and light, the darker shade and the lighter shade. See the stocking, how it is done. See this potli, see the snowman. So all these are done by using light and shade. Is that clear to you? Yes. Thank you and God bless you.